The Wānanga are there to ensure that when we go into regions that we're sharing mātauranga. It's an opportunity for us to connect and share across experiences and find ways forward so that we can take these learnings into homes for whānau to utilise and ensure that their tamariki are safe.
It's a space where you really connect with your wairoa. And the ones that I've been to, it feels like it's such a safe space that you could be authentically yourself.
Ko ngā hua ka puta mai. The benefits for our whānau, tamariki ao kaumahi, looking at new approaches at how you can engage.
Because it's a space where we get to learn more from each other around some of the experiences that whānau are having.
I think if you want to come along to the Wānanga, come along.
And we would also like to do the open invitation for whānau and tamariki to join us as well, because your experience matters.